Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to manage out of mode for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now you need to scroll down and go to device settings. Then we need to swap to the system from sound, so click on it at the top. And right here at the second line we have auto power off. Click on it and we have two options. By default we use this mode, and after 15 minutes if you don't use your earbuds it will turn off. But we can disable this mode by click do not turn off. And that's it. We have no more option with this mod. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.